The Shenzhen International Customized Modified Automobile Exhibition opened grandly. The modified vehicle of Changan Hunter Pilot was exhibited. A versatile work vehicle specially customized for agricultural drone pilots, this model is modified from the Changan Hunter Warrior Edition dual-motor four-wheel drive long box model and equipped with DJI Agricultural Original Inverter. From functions to performance and working efficiency, it directly addresses the trouble spots of field operations and becomes a super mobile intelligent workstation for agricultural drone pilots. 970L large water tank plus one-button lift plus automatic water pump, allowing pilots to take off efficiently. Traditional agricultural vehicles often cannot meet the needs of high-frequency drone operations due to problems such as small loading space and limited energy supply. Changan Hunter Pilot modified vehicle focuses on this problem and innovatively introduces the combination of 970L extra-large water tank plus drone electric control lifting platform. The water tank adopts a cargo box-shaped design, which is more stable and maximizes space utilization. The rotational molding process ensures the reliability of water retention and common loops. The 550W electronically controlled automatic water pump system can realize the internal circulation of the water tank to ensure the smooth mixing of pesticides. It supports 50 liters per minute high-flow operation and can fill the T100 drone with pesticides in 1.5 minutes. Intelligent functions such as self-priming water supply and quantitative drug injection in the field can meet the high-frequency drug delivery needs of pilots and make their operations more efficient. To solve the problem of taking off and landing in the fields, Changan Hunter is equipped with an electric lifting platform with a load capacity of 350 kilograms and a lifting height of 300 millimeters. It can be quickly adjusted to be level with the water tank. Combined with the large working surface of 1,595 by 1,190 millimeters, it can provide a stable takeoff and landing area for the drone even on rough terrain. The powerful, economical and powerful Changan Hunter solves field problems with the attitude of all-terrain conqueror. The Changan Hunter Pilot modified vehicle is not only well modified, but its own power is definitely not bad. The 2.0T Blue Whale, with its super extended range, maximum torque of 470 Nm and dual-motor four-wheel drive system, makes it easy to deal with difficult terrain such as steep slopes and mud pits. The extended range power solution takes into account both pure electric driving feeling and no range anxiety. The pure electricity cost per kilometer is only 7 cents, saving 65 yuan per day and 15,600 yuan per year compared with traditional fuel-powered pickup trucks. Changan Hunter, a supermobile power station, supports a maximum of 22 kilowatts external discharge plus full-stage charging and discharging, and can quickly charge multiple DJI T100 drones at the same time, thus greatly improving operational efficiency. The 227 degrees ultra-large power reserve allows pilots to say goodbye to the anxiety of grabbing power, and work worry-free day and night during the busy farming season. When paired with the original smart car charger developed by DJI Agriculture for Changan Hunter, it can reach an output power of 15 kilowatts, which is more compatible, more stable and faster. It only takes 7 to 8 minutes to charge 30% to 95% of the power. Changan Hunter, the world's first super extended range pickup truck, has ranked first in new energy pickup truck sales for several consecutive months since its launch.